Question number 31. Each of the letters in the Philippines, okay, is written on a card. A card is chosen at random from the bag. What is the probability of getting the consonant letters? Is it A, 7 over 11, B, 9 over 11, C, 4 over 11, or D, 5 over 11? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. So of course, my dear math learners, in this question, as you can see, the choices has the same denominator, meaning that the number of letters in the word Philippines is 11. But our focus here is to find the consonant. Now, question is, what do you mean by consonant? Consonant are those opposite by the vowels. So the vowels in the alphabet are A, E, I, O, and U, while the consonant are the exceptions, the B, C, and so on and so forth. So therefore, we will just eliminate the vowels here. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 will be subtracted from 11, and that will be the number of consonants we have. Okay, so 11 minus 4, that is 7. Okay, so therefore, the correct answer for this is 7 out of 11, or 7 over 11. All right, my dear math learners, we are correct. Now, let us go to question number 32. A class has 15 boys and 25 girls. If a student is picked at random, what is the probability that the student is a girl? Is it A, 1/4, B, 1/3, C, 5 over 8, or D, 1 over 8? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Alright, math learners. Now, we have here 15 and 25. So, if we add them in a class, that is a total of 40 students. Okay. So, among the 40 students, what we need to get is the girl. So, the probability of the girl. So, how many girls are there? So, 25 out of 40. So, if you simplify 25 out of 40, that is divisible by 5. So, that is 5 over 8. Alright, so the correct answer is letter C. I hope you got that one, my dear math learners. Now, let us go to question number 33. Each of the letters of the word honesty is the best policy is written on a card. The 22 cards are shuffled and placed under the and placed upside down on the table. What is the probability that a card picked at random shows a vowel? Alright, so it talks about vowel. Is it A, 7 over 22, B, 15 over 22, C, 1 over 22, or D, 1/2? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Okay, math learners. Now, what we need to do here is consider how many letters are there in the honesty is the best policy. So, of course, as we can see in our choices, it has mostly the same denominator, and that is 22. So, there are 22 letters here. Now, we will be counting the vowels because that is the one being asked in the problem. So, how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 vowels. Alright, so therefore, the correct answer here is 7 out of 22, or 7 over 22. I hope you got that one, my dear math learners. Now, let us go to question number 34. Okay, question number 34. Okay, it's the same scenario, but we have a different question. What is the probability that a card picked at random shows a letter that occurs twice? Is it A, 1 over 22, B, 1 over 11, C, 8 over 22, or D, 5 over 22? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Alright, math learners, the first thing you should do here in order to answer this question is to check what letters occurred twice. So, meaning 2 times. Okay, so if we check the honesty is the best policy letters, what we have here has that letters that are repeating, but there are some that repeat only once, there are some twice, and there are some 3 times. So we will check on those letters that occurred twice. So let's check letter H. Okay, that is twice. O, okay, another, and I think N is not. E, N is 3, E is 3 times. S, that is 3 times also. T, that's 3 times. Y, twice. Okay, so we already have H, O, and Y. All right. What else? I think I is also twice. Okay, S, we already finished with S. B once, P, O, twice. P is only once, C is only once, L is only once. Okay, so we have 4 letters that occurred twice: the H, the O, the Y, and the I. So of course that is 4 letters, and since this occurred twice, that is a total of 8 letters. So 8 out of 22. So the correct answer here is letter C. Alright, we are correct, my dear math learners. So I hope you got that one. So let us go to question number 35. Okay, the same scenario, but another question here is, what is the probability that a card picked at random shows a triple vowel letter? Okay, triple vowel. So is it A, 1 over 22, B, 1 over 11, C, 3 out of 22, or D, 5 out of, or 5 over 22? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Okay, my dear math learners, the focus here is a vowel that repeated 3 times. Okay, so let's check on the vowels. O, only twice. E, okay, E is 3 times. I, twice. We talked about that already. I think there is no other vowel letter here. Okay, so there is only letter E. The triple vowel letter is letter E, so that is 3 letters. E, and E. Alright, so that is 3 out of 22. So basically, the correct answer is letter C. Okay, let us check. Alright, we are correct, my dear math learners. So 3 out of 22. Now, let us go to question number 36. Mr. R has 3 green, 4 blue, 5 white, and 8 black polo shirts in his closet. What is the probability in percent will pick a white polo shirt from the closet? Is it A, 5%, B, 12%, C, 7%, or D, 25%? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Okay, math learners. Now, let's first add all the number of polo shirts Miss R has. So, we have 3, 4, that is 7, 7 plus 5, that is 12, 12 plus 8, that is 20. Okay, so now we are talking about 20 shirts here, but the focus here is white. So that is 5 out of 20. So 5 out of 20, if you simplify that one, that is 5 over 20, that is basically 1/4. And in percentage, 1/4 is equal to, right, very good, that is 25%. So the correct answer is letter D. Alright, easy, right? Now, let us go to question number 37. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting red club's card? Is it A, 1/4, B, 0, C, 1/2, or D, 1 over 13? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Alright, my dear math learners, these are what we call the tricky question. So I hope you will not be confused on this question. Why? Because the probability here is getting a red club's card. The first question you need to ask to yourself, is there a possibility that a club is colored red? Alright, very good. There is no possibility that a club is red because all clubs in the deck of cards are black. So therefore, there is no way that this will have a chance for you to get a red club card. So the correct answer is 0. Alright, I hope you got that one, my dear math learners. Now let us go to question number 38. In a summit of professionals, there are 100 participants. 15 are police, 12 are lawyers, 20 teachers, 15 are social workers, 20 are engineers, and 18 are doctors. If a participant is selected at random, what is the probability that the selected participants are doctors? Is it A, 9 out of 50, B, 320 or 3 over 20, C, 1/5, or D, 3 over 25? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Okay, my dear math learners, the question is focused on doctors. So how many doctors do we have here? There are 18 doctors out of the 100 participants. So 18 doctors out of 100 participants, if you simplify that fraction, 18 over 100, it is divisible by 2. So therefore, 18 divided by 2, 100 divided by 2, The correct answer is 9 over 50, and that is letter A. Very easy, my dear math learners. Now, let us go to question number 39. There are 4 blue marbles, 5 red marbles, 1 green marble, and 2 black marbles in a bag. Suppose you select 1 marble at random. Find each probability of the probability of black. Is it A, 1/2, B, 1 over 12, C, 1 over 6, or D, 11 over 12? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Alright, math learners, first things first, we need to add all the given marbles in order for us to get the sample space. So 4 plus 5, that is 9, plus 1, 10, plus 2, that is 12. Okay, so how many are blacked here? Okay, there are only 2 marbles, so 2 out of 12. So if you get the simplified form of 2 out of 12 or 2 over 12, that is 1 over 6. The correct answer is letter C. Alright, my dear math learners, I hope you got that one. And now we go to question number 40, the last question. Same scenario, but what is asked here is not green. Okay, not green. So is it A, 1 over 6, B, 1 over 12, C, 1 over 1/2, or D, 11 over 12? I will give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. Alright, math learners, we have 12 marbles still, but what we are finding now is the probability that is not green. So we have only 1 green marbles, meaning that among the 12 marbles, only 1 is green. Therefore, not green are 11 marbles. Okay, so the correct answer is 11 out of 12. That is 11 over 12. Alright, we have answered the 40 questions in preparation for your examination, my dear math learners. Congratulations, and I think you are now ready to take your pre-finals and finals examination for this school year. If you find this video very helpful to you and to your friends and to your classmates, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. This has been your YouTube Educreator Math Teacher Ash, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much. God bless and keep safe always.